Hello! Welcome to the channel. This video is about pronouns. Today we start another big topic, pronouns. The area we're gonna cover will talk about when do we use pronouns. And there are two different types of pronouns, subject pronouns and object pronouns. Let's take a look. When do we use a pronoun?
Welcome to the exciting world of pronouns. In the English language, pronouns play a crucial role in making our language more efficient and effective by replacing repetitive nouns and noun phrases in sentences. This unit will cover the four main types of pronouns: subject pronouns, object pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and each other or one another. Gaining a thorough understanding of these pronouns is essential in improving your communication skills and achieving fluency in English. So let's dive in and explore the various types of pronouns and their usage in more detail. The first area to explore is subject and object pronouns. When to use them? Have you ever found yourself unsure of when to use pronouns in your sentences? Pronouns serve as replacements for nouns or noun phrases, allowing us to avoid repetition and create more natural-sounding language. Without pronouns, our sentences can become dull and monotonous, as in the example, Kitty is a cat. Kitty is 3 years old. My whole family loves Kitty. However, by using subject and object pronouns, we can make our sentences more dynamic and engaging. For instance, we can say, Kitty is a cat. She is 2 years old. My whole family loves her. Here, she and her replace the noun kitty and make the sentence flow better. Here is some useful hint for you. While it is commonly used for referring to animals, it's worth noting that we can also use he or she for pets or animals we know personally.
Very nice. Then the next step we're gonna talk about is subject pronouns and object pronouns. Let's take a look how to use them correctly.
The upcoming area is understanding subject and object pronouns. Have you ever wondered about the difference between subject and object pronouns? Simply put, in a sentence, the subject is the person or thing that performs the action, while the object is the person or thing that receives the action. For example, in the sentence, my sister loves Kitty, my sister is the subject and Kitty is the object. When it's clear who or what we're referring to, we can replace the subject and object with pronouns. For instance, we can say, she is 14 years old instead of my sister is 14 years old. Similarly, we can use it to refer to an object such as a room, like it is cool in summer instead of the room is cool in summer. Object pronouns are typically placed after verbs or prepositions. For example, we can say everyone in the family loves her instead of everyone in the family loves the cat. Additionally, using object pronouns can help make our language more efficient, such as in the sentence, you can practice English with me. Mary can practice Chinese with you. The example uses the pronouns me and you. Also, some useful tips for using pronouns. Effectively using pronouns can make our language more efficient and effective, but it's important to use them carefully to avoid confusion. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Only use pronouns when it's clear who or what we're referring to. Otherwise, it can cause ambiguity and confusion. For instance, saying it is cool in summer without specifying what it refers to can leave the reader or listener unsure of the intended meaning. Besides, be cautious when there are two nouns in a sentence. For example, in the sentence, my parents bought me rollerblades. I love them very much. It's unclear whether them refers to rollerblades or the parents. To avoid confusion, it's better to repeat the noun as in, my parents bought me rollerblades. I love my parents very much. By keeping these tips in mind and using pronouns effectively, we can enhance our communication skills and improve our fluency in English.
Very nice. That's all for today. Like this video and subscribe our channel. See you next time. Goodbye.